Hello, and welcome to this SAP Ariba Customer Self-Service video. In this video, we will review how to convert existing RFI and RFP templates for use as guided sourcing templates, so that you can leverage existing content. Although guided sourcing comes with out-of-the-box templates, most customers have existing RFI and RFP templates with custom content from Classic Sourcing. These classic templates will not appear for selection in guided sourcing without first converting them. To carry out this process, you will need SAP Ariba Sourcing with guided sourcing enabled. Also, note that some advanced functionality like envelopes, alternative bids, matrix pricing, etc. are not yet supported in guided sourcing. If your templates use this functionality, you will not be able to convert them to guided sourcing templates. Stay up to date as guided sourcing reaches full parity and beyond on SAP Ariba Connect. Within SAP Ariba, start by clicking Manage Templates. Locate the template you would like to convert, such as this RFP template. Click on the template name and copy the template. I suggest removing the word copy and adding guided sourcing for easy identification. Then click OK to create the template. You will notice within the folder that our copied template has been created and is in draft status. Click on the name of the template, Open, and within the overview, click on Actions, Edit Properties. Within Edit Properties, you will see a flag, Guided Sourcing Template. Change it to Yes, and click Save. Then click Actions and Publish to publish your template. Now that you've published your template, on the Guided Sourcing Create Event screen, below in Templates, you will see your newly published template converted from a Classic Sourcing template. Thank you for watching this customer self-service video. If you have any further questions, you can consult the guide Enabling Guided Sourcing on SAP Ariba Connect or the SAP Help portal.